ArtSnackers, welcome back to the channel. In case you're new here, my name is Roxanne, also known as By Bun, and I'm a mixed media artist and illustrator. Now, as you know, we've created all sorts of artwork here as part of the box breakdown, some of which have been rather cute. Like the Pug Valentine in February, the bee we did last month, and even a birthday card in March. But there's one thing we have yet to conquer, something fiery and fierce. Something that will use every supply in this month's box. Yeah, I'm talking about the Art Snacks challenge. Okay. Something bold and medieval, a dragon. Get ready for an adventure, Art Snackers, because this is the Art Snacks box breakdown. Hear ye, it's time for a breakdown. The box breakdown is a monthly video series we do here on the channel to go over the latest techniques and supplies found in the latest Art Snacks box. We do a breakdown every month here on the channel, so be sure you're subscribed to never miss a video. This month we got quite a surplus of supplies. Everything from a calligraphy pen, a paint marker, a huge brush pen, an insanely awesome pencil, and much, much more. We've got a lot to cover and create, so let's delve into our dragon quest. For this illustration, I'll be working in one of my mixed media sketchbooks. To begin, I'm reaching for the first item in this month's box, the Tombow Monograph Mechanical Pencil. I'm not gonna lie, this pencil is freaking sweet, and it's because it's packed with features. It's got a twist up and refillable mono eraser, holds 0.5mm lead, and has a lead lock on the side. To use this pencil, simply unlock by clicking downward, then either click again or shake to begin sketching. I mean, how fun is this? Come on. It is very satisfying to shake the lead out of this pencil, and I think it's because there's a bit of a weight on the inside of it. It's also a really great way to keep your momentum going while drawing. As I'm sketching, you'll see me use another item from this month's box, the Coom Correct Stick Eraser. This staff favorite is easy on your hand and paper. It's got an ergonomic grip and a precision point that gives you total control and a clean erase. You'll see I use this eraser quite a bit while cleaning up and refining my sketch. As my dragon is slowly coming to life, let's take a moment now to talk about the card you'll find in your box. Alvin and ArtSnacks are teaming up to offer 40% off Alvin's new line of lighting. You can light up your creative lair with one of 6 different LED lamps. I actually have the Alvin Canberra lamp set up in my studio, and boy is this thing awesome. I love lamp. Anchorman, anybody? No? Just me? Okay. So there's no coupon code needed for this 40% off deal, but it is a limited time offer. So just hop on over to the ArtSnack shop to grab yours. With my sketch complete, it's time now to add in some color. Next up, we've got the Liquitex Professional Paint Marker. These paint markers feature water-based acrylic paint that can be applied onto pretty much anything. To activate your paint marker, simply shake and press down on the marker nib a few times to get things flowing. While I'll be using this paint marker as is in a moment, I'm first going to put some of it onto wax paper and apply with a wet paintbrush. Note that I'll be doing this technique for the remaining items in this month's box to help me create a little bit more value in my illustration. Using a Princeton Velvetouch brush that I picked up from the August 2017 box, I will add in the paint almost like a watercolor, playing with both saturation and detail as I go. With a bit of a base coat put in, I will now use the marker straight up and add a really bold layer of this bright red. You can see that the shape and size of this marker nib will allow you to achieve a variety of lines, all while delivering super vibrant color. Continuing on with more color, the next item I'm grabbing is the Faber-Castell Pitt Big Brush Artist Pen. It's gonna be hard to miss this item in your box because it's huge! This large barrel pen has got a big brush nib, letting you lay down thin or thick lines with pigmented, light fast, and waterproof India ink. Just like I did with the Liquitex paint marker, I'm going to begin with the wax paper technique. You can see right away how well this bright cadmium yellow pairs with the fluorescent red paint marker. With a light layer of yellow down, I'll now add in more using the pen as is, adding this gorgeous yellow ink in the wings and as an accent around some of my sketch lines. This dragon is looking so bright it might actually fly off the page, so it's time now to add in some contrast using black. Next up, we've got a new product from Copic, the Copic Multiliner CS. Now the CS stands for calligraphy small, so my calligraphy peeps out there, you're gonna love this one. The 2mm tip on this pen is designed to give you detailed and expressive lettering. The ink is also Copic proof and waterproof when dry. Okay, so don't get mad at me, but I won't be using this as a traditional calligraphy pen. Instead, I'm gonna show you how I use it for detailing out my illustration. Once again, I'll start by using the wax paper just to add small areas of shading throughout. With the wet application and even a few background splatters added in, I'll now outline and detail using the pen as is. The advantage of using a pen like this here is that I can really do a lot with the tip. I can make bold outlines by rotating the pen body, or use it in a stamp-like motion to create smaller lines and textures. So there you have it, guys, the May Art Snacks box. We really slayed those supplies. If you're new to Art Snacks and want to begin your monthly creative adventure, I will put a link in the description box below where you can sign up. Of course, while you're here, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe for future box breakdowns, and follow Art Snacks on social media. Fare thee well, Art Snackers. This has been another box breakdown, and I'll see you guys next month. Bye!